Had a Valentine's Day idea. I wanted to come on real quick and share how to combine this note with this origami heart. All you got to do is put the two together and create this. Really simple. Let me show you how it's done. Okay, so what you do is you take your note or your envelope and your origami heart. Once you've made these, you're going to go ahead and open up the note, and with this corner here, you're going to tuck it in the pocket of this heart. So just like that. You can glue this to make sure it stays on there. That's fine, but otherwise this will work. All you got to do is then tuck this in. And then when they grab it, all they do is pinch it and pull, and there they have the note.